Here's a quick lesson on how to find the area of an irregular shape. Here you can see an irregular shape with dimensions listed for only a few of the sides. To find the area of such a shape, we need to divide the irregular shape into a few simpler shapes. So here we divide into a triangle, a rectangle, and what seems to be a square, but we're not sure yet. I label these shapes as 1, 2, and 3, so we can easily keep track of them later on through our calculations. So the area of each individual shapes will equal the total area of our irregular shape. Our next step would be to find the dimensions of the missing sides. We'll start by calculating the length of the segment indicated here. The base of the irregular shape is marked as 7 centimeters. The parallel side above that is marked as 4 centimeters, so the missing side would be 3 centimeters. We know this side, marked with a tick, must also be equal to this side because it is also marked with a tick. After calculating both those missing dimensions, we can determine that our middle shape is actually a square. We know this side here is 3 centimeters, therefore this side here must also be 3 centimeters. Our last step is to find this missing side. We know this measurement must be 9 minus 3 minus 3, and therefore 3 centimeters. Now that we've found all the dimensions, we must calculate our area of each individual shape. Here's a reminder of the formulas. The triangle would be area equals base times height divided by 2. The square will have an area equals length times width, and the rectangle will have an area equal to length times width as well. Now we can sub in our dimensions and calculate the area. So here we can sub in 3 as our base and 3 as our height, and once we divide by 2, we get a total of 4.5 centimeters squared. For our square, we will also sub in the missing dimensions. So here we can sub in our length as 3, our width as 3, giving us a total area of 9 centimeters squared. Finally, our rectangle area equals length times width, 7 as our length, 3 as our width, equaling 21 centimeters squared. Our last step would be to find the total area of the irregular shape, adding all the individual areas together. So area 1 being the total area of our triangle, area 2 being our total area of our square, and area 3 the total area of our rectangle. Once you add all those together, you get a total of 34.5 centimeters squared. Thanks for watching!